Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over a few things that you might have missed from last week, along with a few things that I think you might enjoy. Let's get into the video. Now, before we get into some of the things that you might have missed, I've been using this tool that I kind of demonstrated a little bit in a video last week, and I love it. For those of you that microsolder, one of the things that we're constantly doing, or maybe it's just me, but is retightening these as whatever bits are inside of them tend to come loose over time. And one of the things that I've noticed about this is that locking feature that it has basically prevents me from having to ever adjust it. And the way that you take these tips off to swap them out, comparative to the way that the design is with like a scalpel blade, having this push function to simply pop it out is amazing. And on top of that, the little grip that it has, it's super comfortable in the hand, and it makes working with any type of scraping tools quite comfortable to use. And one of the things that we talked about was the iFixit soldering portable station. I've got one, and I want to know from you guys, what type of repair would you like to see demonstrated so you can get an idea of whether or not it's something that you want to invest in so that you can use a soldering iron off-site without having to have access to an outlet or having to lug around a huge soldering station when one just fits in a little box like this and is easy to take around. If you haven't already, definitely check out the Black Friday deals on the iPhones, the iPads, and some wearables. And something that I mentioned last week you might have missed was the in-cell iPhone 14 Pro Max displays at a wonderful price with 80 Hertz of a refresh rate, which are also IC transferable. And all the way through the 12th of December, the biggest holiday promotion on iFixit tools and tool kits. If you're like me, you really like these type of kits. My favorite is the Mako set, but as you can see, up to 20% off each one of these essential two tool kits. I like the Mako because it's got 64 bits, which means it basically has every bit that I need for the majority of my repairs. I've never had these screwdriver bits really go out on me or die. I've used some for years. And I really like the screwdriver that comes with it. And I'm sure that all of you that have used one know what I'm talking about. But if you take a look at these prices, you'll see that these are definitely something that you should get. And if you have employees or coworkers that you work with, this would be a perfect Christmas present. So definitely take a look at that. Well, that wraps up today's video. Again, let me know in the comments below what you would like to see me demonstrate for the portable soldering station. And let me know as well if there's something that you'd like to see in a future video. Thanks a ton for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow for another video.